for all things health, diet, fitness, and happy living. How are you today? It's a beautiful sunny day here in South Carolina. Thank God, it's been raining for about 5 days. But we needed it. This is part of my 3-part episode series about toxic products. And I've been using different apps, as you know, for the like health and beauty products, things like that. I used Yuka, okay, and we saw how crappy some things really are. And today I have a new app that I'm going to try. As you can see here, I have household cleaners, okay? So, a lot of things that we're used to, all right? Popular names, products, things we've used for years, right? Common especially, that's been around like forever. Resolve, Tide, I'm sure you recognize all of these. So we're gonna give them a shot. I have a new app, need my glasses, called EWG Healthy Living. It's a free app. You can get it for your phone. And it's great to take with you to the store, okay? So let's see. All right, so what it does is it rates all the different cleaners about how safe they are, if they're cancer causing, if they're bad for the environment, and it'll tell you if they have an A through F rating. Okay, so if they get an A, they have very little concern with being harmful. Okay, and obviously as the letters go up to the letter F, well, we know what F means. It means a lot of things, but it's not a good thing in this instance. So what we do is we just pick an item. Now I already did this one just to give it a try. All right, this is finish dishwashing. Okay, this is what your dishes go through. All right, what you eat out of. Wonderful. It got a D rating. Okay, so Finish got a D rating. Not so good. Let's see what they say about Finish. Asthma concerned, environmental, skin, developmental, and cancer. Linked to developmental and reproductive toxicity. That's lovely. Okay, that range from infertility and reproductive organ cancers to birth defects and developmental delays in children. I don't think I'll wash my dishes ever again. All right, so Finish got a D. So let's move on to something else. If you have pets at home, I use this all the time for my damn cats. Let's see what they say about Resolve. So it's easier, you just have to put in the name, okay? And let's see, I'll put in Resolve for cats. You just put it in the search bar. Will it let me? There we go. Resolve. Come on. Carpet. Here we are. Okay. Ooh. Oh boy. This is clearly going in the garbage. F! Big fat F! Big fat F. You better tell your kitties and doggies to stop pooping and peeing on the carpet because this got a big fat F. Okay? Let's see what they say about it. Oh. Wow. Developmental. Again. Environmental. Cancer, not such a high risk. Asthma. Skin, let's see. Because it's got sodium lauryl sulfate, tetrasodium aminosuccinate. Okay, half of this stuff I can't pronounce. Methacrylate acid polymer. I don't know. Is that something you want on your carpet or your pets? Quite a few different ones on here. Dipropylene glycol phenyl ether. Well, I've told you before, if you can't pronounce it, don't buy it. All right, that's another F. Oof, we got a D and we got an F. As a teacher, that's disgusting to me. All right, so we just try another one. Let's try good old Pledge. Pledge. I remember Pledge as a kid. Let's see. Pledge. Let's go. Pledge. What do we call this? Multi-surface. There we are. Oh boy. Okay. Another one for the F column. Let's see what they say about this. Oh, developmental. Wow. If you notice, if you can see on my phone, I don't know if you can see this, they have like little meters, okay? This one goes all the way into the red. So let's see what they say about developmental. Same thing. organ cancer, reproductive organ cancers, birth defects, and developmental delays in children. Okay, that's just to dust. That's wonderful. All right, pledge. And this app is wonderful because it's tested over 200,000 products, household, beauty products. I'm not sure if it does food. It might do food because I think I'm going to be doing food next, which will really frighten you. Okay. All right. So we got 2 F's and a D. Wow. If I came home with that report card, I would have been. So let's try this. This is Up and Up. This is a Target product. Okay. Put it in. It's cleaner and bleach. We all use Up and Up products, I'm sure. What's it called? Cleaner and bleach. All right. Let's see what we got. Big fat F. Big fat F. All right. Mostly environmental. So that's not a good thing. It's probably bleach, I think. All right. So that's another F. 3 F's and a D. Wow. Somebody's done something. All right. Let's try. I don't know what it's. So it's moderately toxic. Moderately. Didn't give it a rating. So if it gets a 1, it's low hazard. If it gets like a 5, it's moderately. But if it gets like a 10, it's high hazard. Okay, so this isn't horrendous. Okay. Anyway, this one over here. Not so bad. Okay. 409. Been around forever, right? Been around forever. Now my question is this: these companies know that these products contain all this harmful crap. Why are they still allowing us to use it? Well, that's a good question. Because a lot of this stuff, as I mentioned in other videos, is banned in other countries. But not here. The FDA gets paid off. That's why they get away with it. Okay? So let's go on. Let's see. We got Formula 409. Also been around forever. In real life. Formula 409. See that? Let's see. I didn't find a match, so I'm just going to do glass cleaner because I'm sure it has a lot of the same. This has no ammonia, so that's good, but they don't have it. Ooh. So the majority, actually the method type gets a B. That's not bad. Windex at a D, but I know it's got ammonia in it. Eco Daisy sounds so fresh and natural, doesn't it? F. What else we got? Let's see, I'm trying to find. Oh, Earthy Glass and Window Cleaner. That got an A. Okay. See, the beautiful thing about this is too, they give you alternatives that you can use. All right. Ew. How about Lysol? Remember during COVID, we were paying like $1 million a can for this stuff. Couldn't find it. Let's see what Lysol is all about. All right. It tells me that Lysol is. See what they have to say about Lysol. You think that big companies are not in bed with government and lobbying to keep their products out there, paying people off? But people do it. Lysol spray. Let's see what we got. F. All of them. Prosperity, professional, crisp linen. What's killing us too. Good product. All right, now this I love Tide. Tide is I really do. I mean, it does clean in cold water too, which is nice. But I'm afraid now to see this because it's a product I love. Tide detergent. That laundry. Tide laundry. I like it kind of specific. I like the other one because you can just scan the Yuka. Yourself, your family. Do you want your children and your pets to be exposed to things like this? I know I don't. So look for the better alternatives, okay? And look for this app. This app is just wonderful. It's called EWG Healthy Living. You can check out anything in any store, and it'll tell you the truth. As will I, as you know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Share, like.